Some animals look like they crawled out of a sci-fi movie. These five, science couldn't even make them up. Number five, the axolotl. It keeps its feathery baby gills forever, and it's always smiling at you. Four, the barrel-eye fish. Its entire head is transparent, and those glowing green tubes, those are its eyes. Three, the goblin shark. It looks normal until its jaw launches forward out of its face. Yeah. Two, the Dumbo octopus. It flaps little ear fins to swim and lives deeper than almost anything else on Earth. And number one, the mantis shrimp. It has 16 types of color receptors. We only have three. It literally sees a world we can't imagine. Follow for more wild facts that'll make you question everything you thought you knew about this planet.